Hello and welcome back to the tutorial of QuickBook. In this particular video we would like to understand the chart of account of QuickBook. Look at this, here is a chart of account, and the accountant section here is also a chart of account. Chart of account is your trial balance accounts. All your trial balance accounts are here, and this cash on hand, checking account, Mizan Bank, other banking account. From this section you can see these are the bank's account, these are the account receivable accounts, these are the other current assets accounts, and after current assets account we are here a current liability accounts. Maybe we got some fixed assets account. Look at this, here is a current asset, after this here is a fixed assets, then account payable, after then we can see other current liabilities. These are customized made accounts for current liabilities. Sales taxes though already ready made in the QuickBook. When we initially make the company, this sales tax account is by default available. Here is an equity, opening balance is equity, owner capital, owner drawing account, retained earning. These are the equity accounts. These are the income account, sale 1 cash, income, discount, sale discount, a kind of income, and a bank profit income account, credit sale income account, and Food Panda website income account. These are the chart of accounts, cost of goods ledgers, and in the rest is all. Here is the expenses accounts, and in the last here is other profit, other income, and other income, sales tax inputs, and other expense. So this chart of account is specially designed for a fast food restaurant company, and if we want to see in the edit mode any of the bank account, look at this edit account. You can see that bank is selected on the top, the account name. This is the sub account, but we did not make this is a sub account. Here we can give a description. If we want, we can give our bank account number here, rounding number, and the rest of the fields we have to complete when we want to make a chart of account ledger. So is the account receivable account, edit account. You can see this is an account receivable, it is a credit card receivable, and look at this way we make these chart of accounts. So we link these chart of account. One account receivable is already linked to the revenue account in the QuickBook by default. When we make an income account, then we link the account receivable accounts also in order to lead that particular income of the credit sale to the account receivable account. For example, we are going to down scroll to the income account. Look at this income account, look at this in the edit mode. This is income, and here is the cash one. Save and close. So this is the simple way of making the chart of account. Look at this long list of chart of account. By making a new item in chart of account, you select from here. If your the new account which you are going to make is an income account, you select this and then you click continue. If it is an expense account, you do this and continue. The same is the fixed assets or bank or loan or credit card or equity. Apart from this, you can make special chart of accounts ledgers from here: account receivable, other current asset, other assets, account payable, other current liability, long term liability, cost of goods sold, other income, other expense. For example, you want to make one other income account like this. It is not an income account, but it is an other income account. This other income account is not related to the revenue of not related to the common revenue of the company, but this is for some special uh, revenue of the company. For example, you sold a vehicle of the company, then you will select this in the sale invoice, or you may sell a scrap of a company, or you may sell a machine, then you will record this other account. So continue. Other income, here you give the title of other income. Okay, and if you want to make it sub account, here are the income account, bank profit or other income, sales tax input. Since we don't want to select any of them, these are not related with this, we don't want to select this. We don't have any description for this. We can write a description of that we use this chart of account for a non-regular sale, casual sale. For example, scrap sale or a machine sale, or a you can say that any other thing that a company sell. Or you just press save and close. So your this other income account is recorded and it came here. Look at this. One other income is already here. Other expense, other income, sales tax input, other income, and bank profit. So this is your chart of account, guys. If you have any question, please write to me in comments. I will give surely answer. Thank you for being with me. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.